We are currently in the assembly stage of our soft biscuit production line project. The work is progressing steadily and as planned. Right now, our team is assembling the main sections, starting from the dough mixer platform structure and drive alignment. Parallelly, the rotary moulder frame and forming system are being fitted with precision to ensure perfect synchronization. The oven body structure is under installation, including burner lines, insulation panels, and conveyor alignment. Proper leveling and heat zone setup are critical, so we are carefully checking every parameter. The cooling conveyor framework is also being assembled to ensure smooth transfer and gradual cooling after baking. Every section is being aligned, tested, and inspected before final commissioning. Work is in progress, and we are moving step by step toward delivering a fully optimized soft biscuit production line for our customer.